The new bike starter is working well. It's got a little bit of a lag when it takes off. No, I mean just, I don't know, but I think it's in good enough shape now where I'm going to go put the back cover on, and then we'll go right on to the racing deal. And when I do this one, to do all the plumbing and everything that I want to do on this one, I'm going to have to take off the floorboards, all the front end, all the front radiator, and I'm going to try a Honda Ruckus radiator. See if that works. Maybe too small, but maybe not. I don't know. But I want to try it because it's a Honda and it's got to be probably better engineered than this one. And maybe with the faster fuel pump that I have, the Bosch fuel pump, water pump, that it'll be pushing a lot of water through there. Anyway, if you're going to work on, this is the tip of the day too, if you're going to work on one of these bikes, or a Honda Dio or whatever, go to eBay and get yourself a shop manual. This is for $85.86. It's got all kinds of really cool parts in it and directions, and you can't get any of these parts, none of them. Then when I was rebuilding the Honda Ruckus, the NPS 50, I think it was 2003, I got this manual. You got to remember, they changed the engine design from number 2003-2004 was a phase 1 engine. 2005 on was a phase 2. It has a little bit different cylinder design for scavenging because they were having a clog problem with it. And then this is for the Dio. This is 88 to 90, 92, and 93. The 94 manual is a lot harder to find, and it just has a few basic changes, like the size of the crankshaft is a little bit bigger. A few of the parts are bigger, but this one will do you okay if you know what you're doing. So I'm happy. The gyro's working good. Now I can take that out and meditate when I've got a problem with the deal, or Honda Elite as they call it. And I want you to remember these pictures of this piece of shit. Of course, it's it's 25 years old, so it's gone through a lot. I bought it brand new in like 93 or 94, something like that. Anyway, I'm happy, everything's fine. And we're going to get ready for the big, giant stroker engine.